Here we have a 1983 Gibson Slumbermaster window unit. What the fuck? As somebody who doesn't get to see window units this often, it's pretty cool.
Here we have my Gibson that's now at
mine
Kyle's
now.
house.
Me.
It's his now.
Here you go. Extremely quiet.
I mean, it's got a rotary. What do you expect? Matsushita rotary compressor.
Right?
Yep. That's the old Matsushita thing, cooling pressure.
Alright. That's low, this is medium. This is the thing that we messed up, and then something like that. And then here's high.
Nice and quiet, then it cools and it doesn't matter where you want it to.
Oh yeah.
You want to put it in between speeds and anything.
Okay.
Actual nice sounding rotary.
Slumbermaster. I like the control panel, it's got a cool finish on it. Air sweep?
Yep, that's on.
Oh, that's cool.
It was a feature of these old Gibsons.
I didn't know that was a thing. Air control, man. That back there.
There's the spec sheet back there.
Ooh. The outside.
Nice to finally be able to get to see a vintage window unit.
Yeah.
These just don't exist around my area.
Mm-hmm.
It's what I get for being a DC resident.
Yeah. Alright, that's about it, guys.
Anyways,
Shut her down.
Come on up again.
That's good.
okay. That concludes this production of well, now Kyle's 1983 Gibson Slumbermaster.
Used to be Will the Trill's, actually.
Really?
Me. Yeah, it's his before mine.
Damn, I live under a rock. Anyways, thanks for watching.